Okay, we're in a 2013 Thor Windsport Class A, model number 32A with 2 slides. The miles are 15,705, and the coach is basically brand spanking new. This is a nice feature up in the front where this folds out so you can put your computer, and there's storage underneath there. You've got the DVD player, GPS stereo setup. This is a Ford V10 gas motor. You've got automatic levelers. Coming around to the driver's side, you have the sleeper sofa and your dinette that also turns into sleeper, with your TV, kitchen, microwave, oven, stove, sink, refrigerator. Coming around to where you would walk out of the coach, and you have a nice recliner chair right there. Woodwork is outstanding in here. Hard countertop surface. Delta faucets. I have both ACs on this right now, and this is very nice to find a shower that is the square instead of the rectangle one, or the, what do they call it? It looks like this is the better shower. Coming into the back, there's a door right here so you can close off the back bedroom. It has its own TV and a lot of storage as far as your closets and I forget what these things are called with the glass on it. Wardrobe closets. Nice headboard. Again, nice woodwork. AC back here with a separate control. Very nice private bath with your toilet. Fantastic vent up top. Turn the lights. Floor is beautiful, lots of room. This is a 7-foot ceiling. Refrigerator is on right now and cold. That's about it. Everything else you can hear the, I don't know if you can hear the AC. Very nice coach. 5500 Onan generator with 100 hours. I think it's 96 hours to be exact. It's a beautiful unit. Okay, that's it.